What's up, fit people? Coach Remy here. Today's workout we are going to attack the glutes, but today if you have these bands, you can use it so that we can make it a bit tougher. Otherwise, after a while the body tends to find an equilibrium, and when you're not challenging the body, it doesn't improve. So that's why if you have the bands, you can use them, and also if you don't have them, it's okay, but you can get them in the near future so that we will be utilizing them. Alright, so today we are going to attack the glutes, the booty, and the rear part of our lower limbs. So let's get right into our workout. So if you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe, and if you know someone who might benefit from a 60 days at home program, they can follow. Share this workout with them, or challenge them to follow you on this 60 days transformation challenge. Alright, so if you're new on this channel, be sure to subscribe to this channel for more workouts, and so that when I upload you see the workout. But not only will you see the workout, but you will also help me reach the amount of subscribers I need so that I can monetize this channel. So if you have the band, take it. If you don't have it, you can it just toe taps, alright? So stretch it so that you work also isometric contraction of the shoulders. So back straight and look forward. If you be my big, and we can go far, we can get away, so we can have a little fun like a holiday. Okay. So now wide stance, and let's do hip circles. Hip circles, huh? So on my watch, I'm setting up that I'm doing high intensity, the other direction. Alright, so if you have the band, put them on the lower part of the legs. You're going to do one lateral kick. So, and hold the wall, lateral kick, then backward kick. I'm holding the wall to find the balance, but if you can also do without one. But then you always have to find the balance, put the leg down for a while. So use the glutes to kick back. Okay. Now we're going on the other leg. Use the wall to find extra balance if you need it, but you can also always find the balance in the knee. You put the leg down, feel like you're going to fall. And bring the leg slowly back so that you use the adductors. So now put the band in the knees if you have it, and come on your side. I have to start with the other side. Each time you go up, this leg is opening, and here you're squeezing the glute. So there is a slight bend in the hip. So when you're going forward, you're also pushing the hip forward. side. So slight bend in the hip, like 10 degrees or so. And then when you're going up, hip is going here, this leg is going open. I show you guys my hips, my glutes are burning. These bands are essential for people who work from home. So now we are going to the kneeling squat. So each time you come down and you squeeze the glutes as much as you can, and there is a stretch in the band. So I'm always pushing my leg towards the outside so that the band doesn't pull my legs. So the band stays here. Now we're going to do alternate kick back. So like this. You see, you have to control the up and down. Make sure your back is straight. Palms below your shoulders and knee below the hip. Beautiful. Lie on your back. Now we are going to the glute bridge. So I'm always pushing the knees towards the outward. Squeeze your glutes. Beautiful. So, side balance, leg raise. So side balance, it's like this. One leg is straight. Now you raise. Okay, let's go. Control the up and down movement. Don't let gravity and the band pull the leg down. Glutes are on fire, guys. Okay. The other side. Wow. These bands are a must-have, guys. So if you don't have them, be sure to get them. My glutes are on fire. All right. So now we're going to sumo squats. So wide stance, wider than shoulder width apart and toes facing outward. Now you see when I go down, the knees are going up like this, and now I'm squeezing the glutes to come up. Very good. Wow. Glutes are on fire. Next one, we're going to do alternate backward kicks. Find slight bends in the hip, and I'm squeezing the glutes to bring the leg up, not using momentum. One more round and then day 30 is finished. Beautiful. So now we're going to jump squats. So like this. Okay, let's go. So if you want to use the hands, absorb the landing with your thighs and go as low as you can. Beautiful. Wow. Thank you guys for choosing to spend your time with me. Day 30 is done and sealed. Clap for yourselves. Halfway of our challenge. So we're doing a great job. Let's keep the spirit up. Thank you for choosing to spend your time with me. And see you. Oh, did I start my watch? My heart rate is pumping. So I used up 110 calories for 10 minutes, which is a good amount of calories. So guys, thank you and see you on day 31. Thank you for choosing to spend your time with me. Let's get fit and stay fit. Bye bye.